Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable app icon badges for reminders on Messenger. If you've ever missed an important reminder because there wasn't a little badge on your app icon, don't worry. It's very easy to turn this feature on. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight into the Settings app. This is where all the adjustments for your apps and notifications can be found, so it's the place we need to start. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your phone, it might also say Apps and Notifications or just Apps. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look through the list and select Messenger. This is the app we're focusing on, and all the notification settings we need are inside this section. After that, tap on Notifications. Here you'll find all the categories of alerts Messenger can send you. It's divided into different groups so you can choose exactly what you want to be notified about. Now tap on Notification Categories. This will expand the options even further, giving you more control over what shows on your phone. From the list, tap on Reminders. This is the specific category that lets Messenger show you those helpful alerts you don't want to miss. Finally, just toggle on App Icon Badges. Once this option is turned on, you'll see a small badge appear right on the Messenger icon whenever you have a reminder waiting. It's a quick visual cue that makes it much easier to stay on top of things. And that's it. You've just enabled app icon badges for reminders on Messenger. From now on, you'll never have to wonder if you've overlooked a scheduled reminder. The icon badge will always keep you in the loop at a glance. Thanks for watching.